Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Java Code Threads. So here we are going to solve one problem in Java, reverse only string. So here is the problem statement. So here are some inputs and outputs. So we need to solve or we need to reverse the string without affecting a special character. So we need to just reverse this string. Okay, so let's firstly analyze this example. Here input is ab-cd, so we don't want to change this position of special characters, correct? So expected output would be d will become first, then c, and this special character remains same in that position. Similarly we can b and a. Let's go move for example number 2. In this case a dash b dash c and this whole string are there. So here our second character is the special character, correct? So here now when we are trying to reverse the letters, so last character become first and second position should be our special character, not this I, correct? So what we gonna do for to solve this problem? Okay, let's think on the data structure, which is a suitable data structure for reverse that string. Yes, we have one data structure called stack. As we know that stack is uses LIFO order. LIFO is last in first out. Whichever the element store last, that will be out first, correct? So let's get started to solve the problem. So here is my string. I'm declaring one input string and giving ab dash cd as similar to this one, ab dash cd. Okay, my bad, semicolon after the string. Okay, so then we are what we gonna do, we are going to use a LIFO data structure, that is the stack data structure. So what we are doing, we are creating a stack variable. Okay, we are going to create a homogeneous data structure. What we are going to do, we are reversing each and every character. So here we are declaring homogeneous type of this as a character. We are creating an object for stack using a new keyword. Okay, here. Okay, now what we are going to do, we will iterate this complete string. So we will iterate each and every character and store into the our stacks. So let's iterate the traditional for loop first. Integer I is equal to 0. I is less than or equal to my input string dot length. Length is the function minus 1, because I'm writing minus 1 because I'm started with 0, correct? And iterate till last element. So here what we are simply done the iterating here over here, correct? So now what we have to do, we have to push each character into our stack. So how to push the character, we have a two types one method to push or store each character in the leaf folder. That is stack dot push is the method, and we need to store each and every character, correct? So input is our string dot char add is the method, and each element, correct, from wherever it iterate. So now let's check the output first. I'll print this output for you. I'll do the control shift F for format purpose. This is out control like a stack dot to string. Okay, let's do control shift F for format the code. Let's try to run it. Okay, so in the stack we can see like each character has been stored. So in the in the last position is for A, B, C, D, E, correct? So when we just now what we are going to do, we just popping each character. Popping is retrieving each character. So for that purpose, I'm just copying the same for loop over here and just pasting here. Instead of pop, I will do instead of push, I will use a pop method. So pop method, what it will do, it will pop each element in the reverse order, correct? Whichever the element stored last. In this case, our last element stored as a D, so it will pop D first, correct? So here is the pop method. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to print over in the sysout statement. Sys- Okay, inside that I'm popping each element. Okay, I'm removing this last statement. I'm using or pressing Control Shift F for formatting the code. I am extra semicolon. I'm going to remove. Okay, now just run it. You can see like so I'm here print ln. So each line it will be print. So remove ln. So you can see the output that is expected, correct? This so we have solved the example number 1, correct? But what will happen for this string? Let's copy this input string and just pasting over here and try to run a program. Oh, so our expected output is like this one. Let me print let me print our expected output over here just for understanding purpose. Uh, system dot out dot println. So you can see like our expected would be of j come first. Yes, j come first. Then that special character should not be change our position. So what we gonna do? So let's think. So what we going to do here? So in the stack, we don't want to move this character, a special character, correct? So what we gonna do? We just use our logic like if only if there is a one method, only if there is a letter, then only we are storing the data into the stack. So character is a letter is the method. Yes, so in that method we are checking first whether that current character is a letter or not, it is an alphabet or not. Input that carat at, if it is a character then only we are storing the data, otherwise we are not storing, we are keep at it is okay. So here so you got my point, correct? We are only storing the character, and while popping the data, what we gonna do, if we will check, if we just, I'm just copying this same condition over here, and if the current letter is a character, then I will take the data from the take the data from the stack, and if it is not, then what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a data from this input, directly from this input stream. Okay, input dot character at this. Okay, you got my point. Let's try to print our output. Okay, trying to run. Oh yes, now our so we got the solutions here. So I think you understood this code. So we are just pushing only those having the latest, we are pushing the data into the stack, and those having other than alphabetical, we are not storing in the stack. While retrieving the data, we are adding one special check. What is the special check? If my, while iterating, if my current character is alphabet, then I'm taking that alphabet, reverse alphabet from the stack. Otherwise, I will, if it is a not letter, I will take that string character. Okay. Yes, that's it from my end. Thank you for watching this, and please do like and subscribe. Thank you.